All right, guys, it's time for a channel update. We're let's see, we're 1 day away from the new year. Um, if I don't see you again before the new year, happy new year. So, what we've got going on for this channel update, I'm just going to show you a before and after. There's a lot of stuff that's going to be going on this year, including we're going to get back to the tabletop robots. We've got the drone with the gimbal on it, and we also have the aquatic rover that we're going to be working on. There's another surprise that I have for you guys. I found something that the neighbor had tossed out that we're going to use for an upcoming project. It's going to be really cool. But I'll save that for for the project video. So I'm just gonna show you what we've got going on. It's right behind me. All right, here's what we're working on. I have left the door open, so you might hear the random bird or dog in the background. There's Jack. He's supervising. He's checking everything out. So you guys have probably seen automated rail and railroad software hanging about randomly. So this is not an advertisement or or they did not sponsor this video, but as I do work for them, that paycheck actually pays for the videos that I'm doing, and they don't mind me spending time recording these videos for you. So they do support the cost. So if you need any asset tracking software or any AEI RFID AEI capable RFID readers or wayside readers, I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check those out. All right, so this is what we got going on here. When I did the rush move into here to clear the original room out for my son, we kind of just threw everything in here, and the benches never got made. So we're still on a folding table here, and I also do not have the shelves that are supposed to be holding the rest of this stuff up. So what I'm going to do today is we're going to put the rest of the roof in. So there's some pieces that will make this a triangular. It'll give it the structure strength. So those have to go in, as well as the hurricane straps will be going in today. And with that, this light that's been sitting in the corner for ages will go up, and this corner of the room will get brighter, which is good because we have the laser cutter. We have the two 3D printers. We have a reflow oven for PC boards, and we also have a CNC machine right there behind that lamp. So we're going to get all of that going. And to that end, since we don't really have a budget for the channel, I had to go cheap. I went on Facebook Marketplace, and when we picked up this all-in-one that's going to run all of this manufacturing area. So this gracious lady, gave us a really, really good price. I mean, really good. Like, we couldn't buy this type of equipment normally just to have on the channel. So yeah, we're gonna set that up on a shelf there, and we're gonna take that keyboard and everything and set all of that up. The idea being that we used to have on the website, we used to have robot kits. So the video is on the channel for these robot kits, and they were the breadbug robots. And so we want to start producing those again, as well as there's another robot that we're about to put out. It's a bipedal robot, and a lot of functionality, but it uses, so we try to use the Arduino Uno footprint for all these things. So it's going to be able to carry an Arduino Uno, and well, you'll see it later. So here we go. So this is the before and I'll be back with the after uh, in a few seconds, I guess, for you guys. But bam, the lighting's changed a little bit, so I'm gonna have to close the door. Uh, but here we okay. Oh yeah, the lighting is completely different. So I've got the I've got the new light up there. Here I'm gonna turn the camera around so I can show you what all has happened. Yeah, look at that. All right, so check this out. So shelf and everything for the computers up. We got some extra storage space up there now. So before I put all that filament in there, I just wanted to show you some of the stuff that I was talking about getting done this year. Right, the chimes. So this so actually, I'm going to show you this because we're going to start with this guy. So this is one of the ones that was really became really popular for a while, and it was, did we do a Kickstarter? Yeah, Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Can't remember now. Oops. But this one, so we stopped making, so this wasn't set up for the longest time. So as you can see, a lot of these robots, this one's laser cut, is the main chassis of this guy. So obviously we needed that laser running to get these kits done and out. So we're gonna put that one back online because this was a really good one. Especially, so a lot of homeschool moms, birthday parties, and even some public schools were using this one. And like I said just a little while ago, the video is available for that one. It's one of the older videos, so it's me just doing the assembly. Eh. So yeah, I don't think this one's gonna turn into a kit. And these two, so this Zumo chassis is really, really nice, very versatile. As you can see, these two guys are built on that same chassis. And so we're gonna create some robot kits behind that, but they're not gonna be a sumo robot or just a camera. We're going to go more along the lines of actual programmable robot with sensors and so forth. So we're going to get deep into that this year. And we have the bipedal explorer. So we're going to be doing some heavy 3D printing on this guy. So that's another project that's coming up. He's missing the hands, the arms, and the head. So there's an ultrasonic IR sensor up here for the head, and there's two arms to provide some balance and let him be able to stand up. Stand up if he falls down. It's going to be accelerometers, the whole deal. So that's going to be cool. Another one that we got to get back to as well is and this is what we're probably going to finish this up first, since we already started this guy. He's going to be gimbalized and everything. So we'll get that wrapped up, and then we'll use that one when we do the testing on the aquatic rover. So the aquatic rover is also going to be finished up right after this guy, and we're going to use that to record some video on the testing of the aquatic rover. So found a really cool place to go and test this guy out. So we're gonna show you that. But anyway, this is how it turned out. Low budget as it is, but I think we did good. It'll work to keep us going here, right? So, like I said, we've got a lot of stuff going on this year. So yeah, put your seatbelts on, because it's gonna be a ride. We'll see how I squeeze all this stuff in. But yeah, as always, I appreciate the time you spend with me. And we'll see you in the next video. All right, so we got the shipment finally.